Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Prius V. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive hatchback in a stunning alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. On the front, you have your fully automatic headlights as well as your forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection as part of your Toyota safety sense. But why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Prius is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button right on the fob. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up these doors. Now we're going to put the key into my pocket here. You simply just run your hand across the handle and it will unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. A really great convenient feature. On the side here we have that stunning silver trim with your power windows and your power locks, as well as your power adjustable side mirrors. Your Prius comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, and you do have some convenience features right here like your lane departure alert and your automatic fog lamps or high beams as part of your Toyota safety sense. Inside you have these stunning soft seats all throughout with that center detailing for that added comfort. But why don't we hop on in and start it up. Starting up your Prius is easy with your smart key system. Simply put your foot on the brake and hit that power button. It's a very quiet startup. You don't hear that engine start until a little bit later. You do have your dashboard menu up there, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. So there you see your Toyota safety sense features. You have your analog, you do have your volume control and mode changers, as well as your hands-free calling and voice command. Your cruise control is available below here with your dynamic radar cruise control option as part of your Toyota safety sense. Here on your stunning LCD screen, your backup camera does show up there, so I simply turned your shift knob on the reverse position and it returns back to its neutral. Right now, to park your vehicle, you simply just hit the park button right there. With your audio, you have your CD player as well as your AM/FM radio and your USB auxiliary input. You do have your Bluetooth audio as well, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Below here, you do have your stunning climate control options with this cool knob that you can set your automatic climate control on as well. Below here, you have your USB auxiliary input with your 12-volt DC charger and that handy shelf for when you are charging your media. You have some storage on that shelf below there, as well as your different drive modes. You have your cup holder with that chrome detailing, and your center console does open from the side. You have removable pieces and plenty of storage space to store everything that you need. You do have this upper glove box here for storing anything that you need in your vehicle, and below you have your lower glove box to store all the manuals, to know everything there is to know about your Prius. Plenty of cool things happening inside your vehicle, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Prius V. As you can see, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there, as well as your backup camera is available below here as part of your Toyota safety sense. Opening up that tailgate now, check out all that space available to you to store everything that you need in the back of your Prius, as well as your handy 40/60 split folding seats for any convertible storage. Below here you do have your tonneau cover storage, which is handy so you don't have to leave it at home or in your garage. You also do have below here, you have your tools and your jacks and your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Your Prius also does come with a handy cargo net for additional versatile storage options, and closing it up, simply just grab that handle there, make sure it latches, and we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your Prius. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Prius V with handy convenience options like your backup camera as well as your lane departure alert with steering assist. Don't forget your electric drive mode as well for a vehicle that finally matches the functionality and tech savvy that you are looking for. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.